Hello my friends and welcome back. Today we're showing you guys a magnetic phone holder. So it comes in just this small little pouch, not pouch but small little package. This is what it looks like. So what you do is you stick this on your phone, and this would be on your phone, which allows you to set it out so you can have your phone setting up at multiple angles. It's actually really nice looking, and it's very basic. You know, keep it like this. Peel this off. Let's pretend this is your phone. Peel this off, stick it on your phone, apply pressure for about 10 seconds, and then you'll be able to mount your phone and have your phone at multiple different positions. Let's show you. Alright, so like this. Now you got it on. As you can see, we can have our phone standing up like that. You can have your phone at different angles, so it could be further out. You could have your phone off the ground like this. So as you can see, it's down at an angle. However you want, so that would allow you to, you know, have your phone up if you're playing a video game instead of holding it in your hand. It's much better for your wrists if it's setting down like that, so you could play a video game sideways, play a video game up and down, texting up and down, and that way you're not holding something. But overall, it's very nice. I mean, you can look at it straight out, and you can really customize how high you want it. You can really do so much with it. It works great for stands, and again, you can rotate it for multiple angles like that, way far out. Tons of different positions. Gets a plus from me.